Okay, good morning. So today is Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. I'm a little bit superstitious, so I didn't want to jinx anything yesterday. But did you notice that on a day when a lot of Bitcoin mining companies, as well as the tech sector, were down and finished down, Bitfarms actually closed slightly higher for the day? Now, let's see what happens today and tomorrow. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. The macro picture is very tumultuous, to say the least, but I'm starting to like the price action I'm seeing as it relates to Bitfarms. Hey, it doesn't hurt that CoreWeave is apparently at this point, hey, unless something comes up, they're acquiring Core Scientific in a deal valued at about $9 billion or so. And what's remarkable about that is that if my math is correct, so double check me here, I think that values Core Scientific at about $7 million per megawatt of capacity. I'm not comfortable applying that math to Bitfarms just yet because the company is still in the HPC AI planning mode. However, I do think that type of metric is appropriate to apply to a company, for example, like TeraWulf, right, who has a facility, Lake Mariner, that they are rapidly developing, that already has a paying customer, one of the top 1% potential HPC AI customers on planet Earth. So you see, once Bitfarms, I think, moves from the planning stage into something that's a bit more concrete, where we see that something's being built, I think that the valuation metric that CoreWeave is using to value Core Scientific is to some degree applicable to Bitfarms as well as other companies in the ecosystem. Now, somebody could argue, but they're paying a premium for Core Scientific. Okay, that's fine. Let's cut it in half. Let's say it's roughly $3.5 million per megawatt. Do the math. That's still a significant evaluation, not just for Bitfarms, but certainly for a company like TeraWulf, which I've always said seems to be a couple of steps ahead of the game here. So, hey, let's see what today brings in terms of a trading session, but don't want to jinx it. But man, I was so proud of how Bitfarms stock price performed yesterday, given just the absolutely brutal nature of the tech sector as a whole. Okay, my friend, let's stay positive, let's be great, and we'll see each other again maybe later today. Bye for now.